In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Features Builder in your Inventory Manager. So I'll go into Inventory Manager and add edit vehicles. I'm just going to edit this first vehicle. Now since I have the VIN number in here, it automatically pulled the VIN specific features for this vehicle. But maybe I want to do them custom. I'll just hit Show Custom Features. You can choose the stereo system. And you can manually check any features that the vehicle has. If you want to delete an unused feature, you just hit the red X. If you want to add a new feature, just type it in there and hit Add Feature. You can choose features to set as default. For example, all these ones on the left are going to be on most vehicles. So I could just hit Set Selections as Default. Now whenever I add a new vehicle to my inventory, all these features will automatically be added. You can always edit that later and set a new default. You can also drag and drop to rearrange features. When you're done, just hit Save and Exit and save your changes. And that's all for this tutorial.